y'all. Happy Saturday. I went out. It's Saturday the 24th of September. Yeah. So I went out. Didn't get very much, but I wanted to stock back up on my chicken. Because I got, remember the one of the last videos I recorded, I don't know if I showed it to y'all. I got pork chops and pork steak. And then another video I had gotten ground beef. And then I also got some chicken. Well, anyway, so I'm trying to restock so I won't have to go to the store as much. Anyway, so didn't get very much. I got these eggs. These eggs were $4 something. And y'all know last time I had gotten eggs, they were $5.98 in the store. And these are the extra large. 18 count. I got my apples for the week. They've gone up a little bit at Walmart. They're $1.98. So this was almost 3 pounds. That's almost $6. But when I tell y'all these are the best, I like these better than Granny Smith because they're a little tart, a little sweet, and crispy. They're very good. I got some lime because this week I'm going to do the Chipotle bowl. One day that's on my menu. I got some Jiffy Cornbread mix. I think I got maybe 2 left. I bought the honey. I didn't like it. It was like, I just don't like an artificial taste. That's like when I do my gravies and stuff, I try not to put like the chicken, I like the natural flavor without all that extra chicken base and cream of this, cream of that. I just like to cook it down in its own gravy and thicken it with a little of the roux mix that I buy. I like to do mine that way because when you start adding too much, it doesn't taste like the natural taste, and then especially when you reheat it. My son this week, he wanted to get salami. He said he didn't want the ham, so I got him this. Sometimes I get the meat out of the deli as well, but that deli meat has been running like $10 a pound, and no. So I did some more rice. I'm just about out. Zatarans, y'all. This rice at Walmart. This rice at Walmart used to be $4.98. It was $6.48 today. And they didn't have the 10 pound because I would have gotten a 10 pound. So I got this today. But the Walmart brand, the Walmart parboiled rice was $3.78. I started to get it. So I didn't get the big one, but you know what I did? I got the smaller one. This 2 pound was $1.48. So I got this. I'm going to cook with it. I'm going to try and see how I like it. If so, because it's parboiled too, I may end up switching over until the price go down. That is too high. Now this other store I went to, they had it $11.48 up for the 10 pound bag, but they were out of it. So I would have gotten it then from there, and it would have been a better price. So yeah, I got that. I got this Etouffee mix. I think I may have one of these in the cabinet. I'm not sure, but I like the Mom and Papa stuff. And I got a bag of shrimp in there, and I wanted to do, my son don't eat shrimp, so I told him I'm going to make him some chili beans one day, and I'm going to use this. My daughter and I eat the shrimp, so we'll have this because I got an etouffee recipe that I have posted. It's good as well, but this one is quick, and I may try it. So I don't know. I got my Western oil. This Western oil at one store the other day was $15. They were out of it. Walmart today was $10.38. I probably should have gotten 2 of them. I got some chicken thighs. Now, when I went online to look and see, put it in my cart to purchase it, they say were $1.28. But it wasn't the thighs, it was the drumsticks. So let me show y'all. I paid, can y'all see? I paid $7.17 for these thighs. I paid $7.57 for these. I paid $5.27 for these drumsticks. And I paid $5.60. It's more in here for these, but they're smaller. Focus. Okay, focus. Okay, let me tell y'all. Fun fact about me and chicken. I have tried the Members Mark at Sam's. I've tried, it's a heritage brand at Kroger. But what I found, and then if sometimes you go to the stores and they don't have a brand, they just have the chicken in the packages. If it's not Sanderson's Farm and Tyson, I don't like it, and I'm gonna tell you why. Next time you buy some of that off-brand chicken, or you buy like that, pay attention to what the dark meat looks like at the bone. The bone is literally black. The meat, the flesh of the meat is black. I don't like that. It's dark meat. It's not black meat. So that's why I either get Sanderson's Farm and Tyson's, and this ain't just started happening. I've been doing it because I was like, And my sister told me, she said that some of that meat be black at the bone, and because I was buying the members, and one time I had bought it. Yeah, I ended up throwing away more of the pack than I actually used because it was black. Pay attention. If you don't believe me, the next time you go to Sam's to get that chicken, and there's nothing negative against Sam's because I buy at Sam's all the time. Anywhere you go, when you buy your chicken, when you pay attention to it, look and see, look at it at the bone and watch and see if that flesh or that meat be black. No. That's why I like Sanderson's Farm. This came from Walmart or Tyson's. Those are my two brands. Anyway, y'all, just wanted to share with y'all what I got. Not much. This little stuff right here was $60 though. $60 for this little stuff. But anyway, thank God for provision, right? I was able to pay for it. So hey, y'all, welcome all my new subscribers. It's all love over here. If you see something you like, comment. If you see something you don't like, hey, I like constructive criticism. You know, let me tell you something. You can't be afraid to listen, because sometimes, like Red was saying in Bible study Wednesday, you going through stuff because the Lord wants to elevate you to the next level. Sometimes you're going through stuff with, say, people on the job that's low down. They keep you on your toes. You know? So, hey, you got to take everything that you go through as a life lesson. What am I learning? Even in your despair, even in your heartbreak, everything, there's something to be learned. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Much love. Be careful out there.